Senorita, please join me. Listen to part 1.
Thank you so much sa pag-invite, ma'am. Igalap shoutout po sa lahat ng mga subscriber ko dyan. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight.
We go to a party
and everyone turns to sing. This beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright?
and I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight.
I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes.
And the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you.
Galap shout out to you, friend Fish1999, and to all my members, thank you so much. It's time to go home now, and I've got an aching head, so I give her the car keys, and she helped me to bed.
And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling,
You were wonderful tonight. Oh my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Sa lahat po pala ng mga OFW, sa lahat po ng mga subscribers, sa walang sawang sumusuporta at sa walang sawang nanonood ng mga ina-upload kong video, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. At sa hindi po nag-skip ng ads, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. God bless us all po.